back to my channel. It is Billion RF. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here and you enjoy conversations about self-care, self-improvement, and you are on a journey to becoming your best self, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you can stay updated on new videos. So today I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new daily skincare routine. And I'm super excited about this because I'm using all new products. I finally caught up to the Fenty Skin train. I'm a little bit late, but better late than never. I'm here. I literally ran out of every facial product that I have, my serums, my cleanser, moisturizer, everything. It all ran out at the same time. So I was like, okay, this is the perfect time to kind of re-up and elevate my skincare routine. I have been noticing that my skin needed a little bit of extra loving because it was just getting a little bit like blotchy. My pores looked huge and everything. And so I've only been using Fenty Skin for a couple days, but I didn't want to come onto the video talking about something I had never used before. So I decided to demo it for myself for a couple days before I recorded the video so that I could really see if it was working for me or not. I didn't want to start using it and it break me out or something crazy. So, you know, you always got to try out your skin products before you really get into using them. So I gave myself a couple days and I'm really loving the results already. I'm going to be showing you guys a step-by-step tutorial of my brand new skincare routine, and I added a couple things in there, things that I would do weekly. So it's about time for me to do that as well. So I'm doing a full skincare, well, my full daytime skincare routine with you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you all of the products that I purchased, obviously where you can get them. I'll drop that down in the description box below so you guys can try out or use the same products that I use. Actually, just so you guys know, I got the starter kit before I purchased the full size of the products because, like I said, I didn't want to just be going in and just trying a product that I never tried before. I got the smaller starter kits just to see how the products would go for me, and then I'm going to graduate on into the full size because I'm already loving the products. I put them on the first time and I was like, oh, okay, Rihanna. So this is the first thing that you use. Ignore my nails too, I'm sorry, I need to get them done. But anyways, Fenty Skin Total Cleanser, and it's a remove it all cleanser, and it also doubles as a makeup remover. So that's pretty cool. Use day and night to remove makeup, dirt, and impurities. Wet skin, work into lather, rinse, and it's for external use only. I would hope you wouldn't put this anywhere internally, but you never know. This is the Fat Water Toner, Pore Refining Toner and Serum. This stuff, I love it. So yeah, same thing. You use day and night on clean skin. Apply over face with fingers or a cotton pad, and you use this after you cleanse. This is the hydrovisor invisible moisturizer, and it's SPF 30, so that's really great. Use every single day, no excuses. Apply before makeup for the ultimate canvas. I did also use this as a primer, and when I tell you my makeup looked flawless. And then obviously I have my Rosebud Salve because I'm going to be doing a little bit of lip care as well. I do this in my everyday skincare routine. You do not have to, but I do enjoy taking care of my lips because it's part of my face. Again, if you watched my other video, my lip care video, this is the Burt's Bees Conditioning Lip Scrub. I used this in my other video. I'm going to be using it again because, like I said, I'm going to be doing a little bit of lip care as well. This is my holy grail. It's like almost empty, so you guys can tell like I've had this for a minute and I used it a lot, but I really love it. It's the Queen Helene Mint Julep Mask. Girl, if you don't already, get you some of this. You need it. It helps to dry up acne, pimples, rinse away blackheads, and shrink enlarged pores. It's a clay mask. Just put it all over, and it's super nice, and it's mint. So you get a little bit like a tingling sensation, tingling effect. Super nice. Another thing that I'm using, this Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This also removes makeup, removes any extra dirt that you might have on your skin. I just kind of use it just as like an extra cleanser. And then I also have this little thing. It's a sponge. It's like a facial buffing sponge, but it is like super gentle. I just use it for exfoliating when I put on my cleanser. So you guys are gonna see that as well, and obviously I'm gonna explain a little bit more, but I just did want to show you these. These come in a pack of like 12 from Target. They help exfoliate your skin, and they're still gentle. They're not super like rough with exfoliating. So I really do love using those as well. So those are all the products I'm going to be using, and you guys stay tuned. So before getting started, I wet my face completely, and then I began with my Remove It All cleanser. I used a small amount, you don't need too much, and I just worked it into my skin and created a good lather with it. Before using my buffer, I wet it a little bit, and with my cleanser still on, I use it to exfoliate. And I just make sure to go in small circular motions all over my face. So with that mask, I just make sure to do a double rinse because it is a clay mask and it's like thick, so it's a little bit hard to get off at times. So after I rinsed and pat dry my skin, I then used my mint julep mask and just covered my whole face in that. So now we get to relax for a little bit, sit back, kick your feet up for about 20-30 minutes, and just let this clay mask dry on your face. So to make sure my face is totally clean after the mask, I use micellar water on a cotton ball and just rub it all over my face to remove anything excess. Before I moisturize, I make sure to do a little bit of lip care. I first exfoliate with my Burt's Bees lip scrub, and then after that, I use my Rosebud Salve to moisturize and keep my lips super soft. the next step I'm doing is using my fat water toner. Again, you don't need too much product. I just used enough to be able to massage it all into my face. And the last step of my skincare routine is to moisturize with the hydrovisor moisturizer. And again, just massage that all into my face. And look how beautiful and glowy my skin is. Do you see my skin? Do you? Do you really? Like, get close. I 10 out of 10 would recommend to anybody. Please go and get some Fenty Skin if you have not already. I just really love how my skin looks. It looks so even toned. It looks so bright. It feels like luxury on my skin. And I really love that for myself. You could really even just tell a difference from earlier when I first came on the video and now. It just looks so much I look refreshed, okay? I'm gonna just tell you the truth. Like I said, I am a little bit late to the Fenty Skin train, so if you already use it and you do the same kind of skincare routine, or you added some other things into your skincare routine that I may need to know, make sure that you leave me some comments. Or if you happen to go out and use the same product as me and you follow along with me doing the skincare routine, let me know if it was effective for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, but I know that you have. I know you did. So thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure that you continue to take care of yourselves. See you next time.